Too much focus on taxi, none on crime. Mr. Holness, please just resign. From in power, Jamaica decline. While you're there home, relax and recline. All nature know the lie speak from your mind. Cause all the bird are show you sign. Disturb your speech when you speak every time. Look at the crowd. Look at the people that want to reach home. Right? We are not happy to be doing this. But at the end of the day, we have to stand for something or we'll fall for anything. These high ticket prices must be revoked in every way. Right? Because, look at this now. One of the things is that your vehicle smoking on the road is $150,000 fine at the court. When I saw that, I wonder if it was a joke. It must be a joke. $10,000, right? $10,000, you know. Fine for smoking while you're driving for weed. It should be right across the board, not just weed alone, cigarette. You understand what I say?
It's a nice street, I tell you something, I'm not lie. I don't like how the street look. The street look good. Look at the people them. People over there, so people all bored, not now move, not now go on. I don't like how the country look. The country go down now wreck. No, the country need to fix. I don't like how them taxi people them, on the car, belt, all baby them tax.
Now to find them, you're going to say, if you travel with a passenger and him hang out him and out, so you have to go pay the fine. I don't understand a lot. I understand what I say. And some of them, if for instance say you drive and your bridging break down, you can't tow him. I don't understand them law there again. You see me I say so. Most of them law where them are pass, it don't make sense. You understand? And we feel it, and not even taxi driver alone I feel it. You see me I say, from once a driver carry I feel it. You see me? So it don't make sense. And next thing again when them come in with child seat for in a public transport, it don't make sense because I don't see that possible.